Hello, this video I'm going to be talking about how to find the area of a trapezoid. These are trapezoids. So first thing I like to do is write the formula on the top here. So the area equals base 1 plus base 2 times the height, all that divided by 2. Write the formula here, and then I'm just plugging things in and solving it. So let's do this first one right off the bat. So we have our base 1 is 10, base 2 is 5. It doesn't matter which one is which. Doesn't matter base 1, base 2. I can need either one. Just top and bottom, add those together, and then multiply it by 4. So I'm going to write it on this paper since it's a little cleaner. Hopefully you can see it a little better. So I'm going to write 5 plus 10 times the height, which is 4, all divided by 2. So order of operations says do parentheses first. So that's 15, 5 plus 10 is 15, times 4 divided by 2. And I'm just going to rewrite these a whole bunch of times so it's pretty. 15 times 4, so 15 plus 15 is 30. So 15 plus 15 is 30, and then another 30, so it's 60. So 60 divided by 2, and then 60 divided by 2 is 30, because half of 60 is 30. So that is all that. That's base 1 plus base 2 times the height divided by 2. Gives me 30. And remember to use our correct units, centimeters. So it's 30 centimeters squared. So I would find 30 centimeters squared down here. It's a B, so I'm going to find my B's and cross my B's off. Alright, let's do a little harder one. Let's go on to this one right here. So you're looking at it and saying, oh no, doesn't look familiar. Well, just turn it like this. Just turn it and so it looks familiar. So this is a base 1, base 2, and again it doesn't matter. And this is the height from top to bottom, from one base to the next base. So this is the height. So I'm just going to plug it in here, and again I'm going to do this on a separate piece of paper just so we can see a little better. So I had my base 1, 2.5 plus 1.5 times the height, which is 2.8. Well, I can write times there. 2.8, and all that divided by 2. Now this one's not going to be as cute because we have decimals, so it's going to take a little bit more. I'm going to do 2.5 plus 1.5. That's in the parentheses first. That's 4, because 2 plus 1 is 3, then 50 cents and 50 cents is another $1, so 4. So now I'm going to rewrite it. 4 times 2.8 divided by 2. I'm just rewriting it. All this came to 4. Rewrite it, rewrite it. Now, what I can do is I can make these numbers smaller here. Since I'm going to be dividing it by 2, so instead of multiplying by 4, then dividing by 2, I'm just going to say, beep. How many times is 2 going to 2? 1. How many times is 2 going to 4? 2. So that makes smaller numbers. So it's very easy. When this is an even number, it's easier to do this. Just cut it in half. So instead of doing 4 times 2.8 and then dividing it by 2, I like to work in smaller numbers. So I'm going to do this. And now I have 2 times 2.8, and we don't even have to worry about this over 1, because anything over 1 is just what's on top. So 2 times 2.8. 2.8 times 2. 8 times 2 is 16. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And there's one number on the right hand side of the decimal, so I'm moving my decimal place over 1. So my answer is 5.6. And this was meters squared. So I'm looking here, 5.6 meters squared is an F. So anytime I see an F, I'm going to cross it out. Oh, there's probably multiple ones. Oh, and the first one was a B, so I should be crossing out those B's too. All right. Hope that helps. Talk to you later.